8 runs needed. What a delivery! Northern hero Kogadas Mathulan delivers a brilliant super over, and Sri Lanka A winning this game in a crunching game. Lot of entertainment coming in, lot of sweat coming into this game.
Oh, look at the drama. No, that's
what's
not nice.
going on?
That is not nice. That is not nice. You need to be very, very careful out there in the middle. Maintaining sportsmanship is very, very important.
Well, Northern hero for Sri Lanka A, Kogadas Mathulan delivers a brilliant super over, and